So for today's video, someone told me this they did not believe on my assault rifle, the targeting system. So I'm gonna prove how it works. First, you get a light by pressing the button and you shoot. All of those were about dead center. Now, to prove it works whether or not the light is on, it's less accurate to where you're shooting because you don't know. Now, to try it without the lights on. So, as you can see, the room is almost completely pitch black. And there's the light. May not seem as bright as it does, but believe me, it's decently bright. Just bright enough to work as a dim flashlight and a target at the same time. Not to the dimness of it's just a garbage flashlight. So yeah, there's how the targeting system works, for those who didn't believe it. It turns out also the Halo Wars 2 launch is coming up very soon. I mistaked it for a week. So look forward to that. Until then, Dinesh out with Halo.